complicated and complex.
Thank you. As AI becomes so embedded in our life activities, and to the extent that we hardly notice it, so it is very important to get people, the community, to be part of building this AI. If you allow just few people, the people in the techie, to just build it, they will build it with the techie mindset. While if you look at it, we use this system in so many things. In criminal justice, we use it in recruitment, we use it in profiling, and so many things. Therefore, the government needs to make sure there is ethic, there is a codes and standard for anybody designing any system that will make decision on behalf of the government. We obey most of the rules of this technology than the rules of our country. AI learn from data and experiences to build its model and patterns which it use to make decisions. So if the data is not available, or if certain people or demography are digitally invisible, they will be discriminated in the decision AI is going to make. We need to start looking at it from the citizens' eyes. How does it change the way we live together, and how can it be used for public good? And this can only be achieved through policies, regulations, and laws. And this, what we are saying, it has to be co-created also. We are saying the government should co-create it with the ecosystem. We want you to be accountable. Like in Nigeria, we started by coming up with code of practice to make the digital space safer for everyone, including children. What we are trying to achieve with that is to make sure what is illegal offline is illegal online.
Thank you so very much. Kashifu Inuwa Abdullahi is the Director General of the National Information Technology Development Agency of Nigeria.